Way to start your birthday with a review. That means if it is a good review. Shama Banik, the Banik cartel. These were wonderful people, 3 cousins, going on holiday with each other, with their better halves. They live several places in the country, one in Canada, Toronto, the other Atlanta, United States. Public review, oh my God. Not only was the location super convenient, but the house was clean, the staff was so hospitable, and the attention to detail did not go unnoticed. By the way, the home is beautiful decorated, and you can tell every light fixture, artwork and even linen were carefully chosen. Yes, we came to the house as strangers, but it felt as though we are now part of the Tommy Coconut family. Yes, you are. We felt the same. The hosts were super attentive from the minute we stepped off our flight and onto the island. No matter what questions, requests we had, even at odd hours, the Tommy Coconut family was there to help us out. They helped us with excursions, restaurant recommendations, and even took us out on our very own sunset cruise tour.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah, very good times. I recall reading all of the fantastic comments, reviews prior to booking this Airbnb and thought, wow, maybe people were exaggerating. But no, the home is actually everything you need while staying on the island. Trust me, you do not want to lose out on this listing. If it's available, book without hesitation. I think we got a new marketing ad. This is great! This is awesome!
How much did you pay them?
Yeah, incredible. And they were also like the best tippers. I mean, incredible, huge. Oh my God, where am I? So, if it's available, book without hesitation. The only tip I have is to lose your ticket back home. Lose your ticket back home. We have never received such hospitality from other Airbnbs, and Tommy Coconut has raised the bar for all our future bookings. Bah! Our family will be returning in the future, and the only home we will search for will be that of Tommy Coconut. Thank you to Tommy Coconut and the entire family. We love you and the island so much.
Wow! Oh my God!